Hey everyone, my this month's Put a Stamp on It came. This is a subscription box that I get. And it's on cratejoy.com. It's called Put a Stamp on It. It normally comes in a very nice decorated box. I'm not sure why it's coming in this month, but let's open it up and see. Oh no, I hope nothing fell out of it. Oh, the box is actually inside of here. Well, this is different. Okay. I don't know why they put it in a priority box unless it was late coming, but if it was, I didn't notice it. So let's see what we got. This is the box that I like the best for my subscription boxes so far. It is a crafting box, so to speak. It is Put a Stamp on It. So let's see what's in here. Oh, I got some cute little candy canes. So I would say by the candy canes, this month's theme is going to be Christmas. I did get a gift bag, gift box, Santa stickers, another gift bag. Ooh, this one's thick. Some cards. Card stock, let's say. And this is basically, yeah, this is, I have a lot of this already. Various, I like the snowman. This is from various paper pads. Cute papers. Yeah, I bought these pads. But it's okay. I can read, you know, I can still use these. Because I am still working on quite a few Christmas items. Here is another in cardstock. In wood that appears, which is really cute. I like this. Solid wood grain. Use that for some layering. I've got a package of ribbon, and I got the little truck with the tree in it ribbon, which is great. I have that die cut and stamps, and these are all Christmas ribbons. Got the lights, the candy canes, the red, the white, the green, some silver, and the truck. And the red one has Merry Christmas on it. My little thing of brads, and oh, these are cute. These are bigger than I usually get. Looks like they're stars. Yeah. Different little stars and some different color. If I can get one up. I've got black and white in these, or is that looks like it's a dark blue actually. So this is the first time I've got decorative brads from them, so I like this. I'm going to try, a friend of mine says she's going to teach me how to make cards. So this month I'm actually going to try to make cards from this kit. I got Stampin' Up! Ink pads again this month, 3 of them. And this is not a Stampin' Up! Kit. This is Put a Stamp on It. But I got the Real Red, Early Espresso, and Mossy Meadow. And I have never yet gotten repeat inks. Got a little drawstring bag, which is cute. I like this. I'm going to make some of these, thanks to Emily. And I like the way they have done theirs to the size, so I may use this as a pattern. Some stamped dots. wish pop open here. Keep some room in your heart for the imaginable. That's cute. I like that. Got a little Santa Claus. Oh, how adorable. Some little cards with envelopes. They are so cute. Let's see, I got this set of stamps this month. It says, may the spirit of the season bring joy to the world and peace to every heart, and heaven and nature sing. Wishes for a beautiful Christmas, and then there's some evergreens, some trees, and some different, I think that's an elk, but I'm going to call it a deer or a moose. A little teeny tiny Christmas ornament. I'll use this on mixed media. Joy expressed, love shared, a miracle celebrated. That's cute. And 2 jingle bells, a glue stick, broken up candy cane, oh, and a pair of fussy cutting scissors, it looks like. I can't really tell. Paper snips as Stampin' Up. So, yeah, small pair of scissors. I'm getting fewer and fewer stamps every month, and I don't understand what's going on. I mean, yeah, I get this whole kit, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamps in it. And this I would not even consider a stamp. I mean, I won't use it. This I have no use for. This I have no use for. So, yeah, I'm getting fewer and fewer stamps every month. I'm starting to be a little disappointed. And this has been my favorite one, but the last 2 months have been a little disheartening of what they're putting in the packages, actually. So, I appreciate getting the Stampin' Up pads. I would rather get less of this kind of thing and more things that I can actually craft with, like the stamps. I don't know why they're cut down on the stamps, because it is a Stampin' Up kit, and I'm getting a lot of other things to craft with instead of stamps. You know, they did ask me in a questionnaire, was I happy with it, and I did make the comment that I rarely ever use the woodblock stamps and would prefer to get the clear ones, so maybe that's why they're sending me less. I don't know, but I'm not paying less, so yeah. I'm going to see what next month brings, and, you know, maybe looking around to see if there's something else better on there. So, if you're just starting out, this is the perfect box to build your stash with, because they do send a lot of stamps at first, and they do send, you know, full-size ink pads. They do not send a little stamping pad, but it seems the longer I'm with them, the less quality I'm getting on what I can actually use. So, stay tuned and we shall see how much longer I stay with them. Okay, I'll talk to you later, and I hope this helps you decide whether you want to subscribe to them or not. Like I said, if you're just starting out, this is the perfect box to use. And they do give quality merchandise. If you are a card maker, this is the absolute box to use, because you get so much more in this one kit than you do in some of the other card making ones. But, you know, other than that, I've been really happy with it until the last 2 months. And I'm not dissatisfied this month. I'm just a little disappointed in what they actually sent me for stamps. I feel like if it's put a stamp on it, you should include stamps in the box that are more than what I got this month. Okay, guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.